Are you looking for the best electric sliding gate openers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best electric sliding gate openers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, OrangeA Sliding Gate Opener. This best sliding gate opener manufactured by OrangeA is known for its efficiency and reliability. It offers adequate performance to perform duties without any problem. With an output power of 500 W, this product is compatible with gates up to 3,100 pounds. Another amazing feature of this product comes with a magnetic limit switch operation. This advantage comes only available in a limited number of sliding gate openers. Overall, we can say that this model can perform its need quite easily and efficiently. At number 4, US Automatic 020320 Sentry 300. We will place this commercial grade opener in this position due to its high quality and effectiveness. It is powered by a 12 volts DC battery that equips an AC transformer to come free with this product. Another top-class benefit of having this product is its capability to compatible with a solar panel. It comes with a Sentry plug-and-go wiring feature that makes the installation process very easier. Also, all the instructions needed to install this opener come with this product. At number 3, Aleko AC1400 NOR Sliding Gate Opener. This quality product is an amazing option for the individual who is looking for an electrically powered gate opener. The Aleko AC1400 NOR is a reliable product that supports up to 1,400 pounds in weight. It is a durable product that can be installed very easily. The complete opener is resistant to corrosion. Furthermore, its steel exterior can last for a very long time. At number 2, LiftMaster LA400 PKGU Dual Swing Gate Opener Kit. LiftMaster is one of the most amazing sliding gate openers that you can buy for endless performance and durability. It is based on the MyQ technology and allows the individual to control the opener from the tablet, computer, or even a smartphone. This gate opener has the ability to up to 400 cycles due to its solid powered battery. It comes with a high-quality mechanism that allows the product to last for years without creating any problem. Also, this product equips with customizable security alerts that can be very useful in a variety of conditions. At number 1, Popsport Sliding Gate Opener. This Popsport product is one of the best electric sliding openers that come with a 4-button remote for performing various activities like open, close, etc. There are also pedestrian and safety features in this gate for making the operation easier. You can set the auto-close feature at the interval of 12, 24, or 36 seconds according to convenience. You can also disable this feature without any problem. It can be used from a maximum distance of 40 feet. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.